How to level up fast in Valorant. So, what I suggest that you do to level up fast in Valorant is just simply spamming death matches. So, go to death match, then start your game and just spam it until you reach your desired level. Because as you can see right here, if you complete a deathmatch game, you'll get 900 XP. While if you play unrated or competitive, which is the normal modes that people play with, you'll get 200 XP per round won and 100 XP per round played. So let's say you lost to an enemy team 0 to 13, right? So the least that you could get is 1,300 XP. The maximum that you could get without overtime is like 5,000 plus, which is like when you're 13-12 with the enemy. And an average unrated or competitive game will take you around 30 to 45 minutes or more, depending on overtime. With a single deathmatch game, so you could finish a deathmatch for like 6 minutes or 7 minutes with an average completion time of like 8 minutes. So if you do the math, doing deathmatches is more worth it than playing unrated or competitive. But this is solely based on if you want to level up fast. So playing unrated and competitive games will definitely improve how you play the game and your game sense. But if you want to level up fast, I suggest that you do that matches, and that matches also help you train with your aim and how to duel with an enemy player. So it's a win-win for you, and that is basically it.